I'm on 10 meters right now, and I'm looking around for the exit. Oh, here goes the QRZ.
Yeah, Whiskey Oscar 2 Echo, WO2E. Yeah, Whiskey Ontario 2 Echo, Whiskey Ontario 2 Echo.
Whiskey Ontario 2 Echo is correct?
Correct. You 58 into Pennsylvania, over. Yeah, Whiskey Ontario 2 Echo, Whiskey Ontario 2 Echo, Whiskey Ontario 2 Echo. Yourself?
Okay. Whiskey Ontario number 2 Echo. Yeah, Tokyo, Ontario, Mexico, located in east part of Republic of Ukraine border. 5 by 7 to 5 by 9, picking your signal here to yourself.
Hey, QSL, and they got a lot of QSB. Got a lot of QSB also, a lot of noise, my friend. All right, thanks a lot for the call. I'm just going to step by, going to go around now. You have a good one. Take care, and good morning to you from WO2E, Pennsylvania.
Okay. Best visit to Pennsylvania. Whiskey Oscar 2 Echo.
QSL, Chow 73, WO2E clear. Bye-bye now.
1,400 watts. Wow. With 35% drive. Let me get away for him so I don't. Let me see what's the drive. Channel 2. Let me look for a clear frequency. Whiskey Oscar 2 Echo, WO2E. 31 watts. Wow. 1,500 watts with 31 watt drive. That's crazy. From a solid state amplifier. Wow, okay. That is nice. Let me see what else I can find.
QRZ, India 3, Whiskey America. Thank you, India 3, Whiskey America.
Whiskey Oscar 2 Echo.
Whiskey Alpha 2 Echo 59.
Thank you very much. You 59 to Pennsylvania. Good morning.
Thank you, India 3, Whiskey America.
That is crazy. With just 30 watts from a small amplifier that weighs about 35 pounds.
Okay,
that is nice.
73 Echo 7 Whiskey.
Whiskey Oscar 2 Echo.
Whiskey Alpha 2 Echo 5 and 9.
Whiskey Ontario 2 Echo 59 Pennsylvania. Thank you.
Whiskey Oscar 2 Echo. Thanks, Echo 7 Whiskey.
This amplifier is kicking ass with 30 watts into it. And you can see right here, 35% output is about 35 watts. I don't think I can say I'm very impressed that I'm getting that much out with just 35 into it. I think we could do something with this. I'm very happy with it.